Good evening, everyone. So, in this video, we will be walking you through two dashboards that we have built using DISC dataset, that is District Information System for Education dataset. So, in these visualizations, we as a group try to explore factors which are relevant to current Indian education system, that is enrollment in government schools and infrastructure in government schools. So in the first dashboard, we built visualization which would be helpful for Ministry of Education. So a report by Regional Institute of English has established the fact that enrollment in government schools has reduced drastically from 1995 to 2010 in Andhra Pradesh. So we took Andhra Pradesh as unit of analysis, and post that report, there has been a lot of push by Andhra Pradesh government in allocating funds to actually address enrollment in schools. So through this dashboard, we wanted to explore if those funds are being effectively used, and how different district schools in different districts are performing in terms of enrollment. So this is a as you can see, this is a there are four different panes in this dashboard, and number of districts as an input. So here, if I say I give 15, so here what has happened is, like, 15 top 15 districts in terms of enrollment percentage change in enrollment, they'll be displayed here, and in this particular pane, the bottom 15 districts will be displayed for the same enrollment change. So, for example, Karimnagar showed the best figures in terms of enrollment. That is, there has been like 4.56% incremental enrollments that have happened in current year 2014 compared to previous year 2013. So, so we've compared this number with percentage change in private schools. So we wanted to see in general, like, how private schools also performing in these districts, and see if really government schools are able to increase enrollment, or is it because of increasing population the enrollments are increasing. But as you can see, government enrollment in government schools is increasing way better compared to private schools, where usually there is a reduction in enrollment. We've also, in the bottom half, we've also shown top districts and bottom districts trend across last 8 years, 2008 to 2014. This we brought this figure in this visualization because we believe that this will give in general how a district is performing across last 8-9 years in terms of enrollment, and then it could be a good comparison figure for us when we are looking at these enrollment change numbers. One thing that is interesting to observe in this bottom half visualizations are, in year 2010 there has been a drastic reduction in enrollment across all the districts, and from there has been like consistent gradual increase in enrollment across different district schools. So so this is what this dashboard says. Moving on to the next dashboard. Here we plotted the other factor, that is infrastructure. So again, post Right to Education Act and implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan in Indian education system, there has been a lot of focus on providing good amenities and improving infrastructure in schools. Right to education requires schools to maintain toilets, drinking water, playgrounds, among many other facilities. So again, we did this analysis for Andhra Pradesh schools for the year 2013-14, and we believe this is an effective operational dashboard if data of different infrastructure parameters can be updated real time in these dashboards. So this dashboard will give us a snapshot of percentage change so the top half of this dashboard gives us a snapshot of percentage change in how many schools, actually in number of schools, percentage change in number of schools with electricity, with roads, approachable roads, and with drinking water. We have compared these three numbers with percentage change in government schools overall. So as you can see, in Hyderabad there has been an increase in number of government schools by 11.7%, but increase in schools with electricity, there is only a marginal increase of 0.28%. So there is not proportionate increase in these parameters. So as you can see, government is building lot of schools, but they're not providing infrastructure in parallel. Like they're building schools, but infrastructure is not readily available to them. So there is lot of I mean, for example, roads. There are still percentage change in number of schools. For with road, actually it's in negative. So like there are still lot of schools where there is no road facility. Also, in the bottom half of this dashboard, what we have done is we have shown, as we are talking about infrastructure and new number of schools being built. We have shown the comparison between government and private schools. As you can see, in most of the districts, number of government schools have increased, whereas private schools has reduced. And again, this could be the number of schools reduction in private schools could be to the fact that there could be consolidation and other things that could have happened in private schools. Thanks for listening to the audio.